Okay, so you're falsely accusing me that I cyberbullied you on internet or something shit on your prep group. What's going on? No? And for information, this is my account, okay? This is my account. Well, I'm just gonna check you a bit on your account, okay? Roblox prep group. I don't know. Oh, this check clothing. Okay, okay. I've seen enough. Okay, I've seen enough. For those who don't know what my account is on Roblox, this is me. This is me, okay? This is me. This is me, okay? This is me. I have zero friends and I'm not friends with any preppy friends here. See? And also, I don't have a preppy group. This fitness this fitness group is not a preppy group, okay? This is a value group. Okay, that's only my group, okay? If you accusing me again, I'm calling a 911 to track you down where you live, Lily. I'm not joking.